My name is Raymond Bachman, and I am from Laveen, Arizona. The basic question must be asked and answered, which goes to the heart of our judicial system. Do the people serve the law, or does the law serve the people? To paraphrase Dr. Martin Luther King, I am disappointed in America and in the American judicial system. And there can be no great disappointment where there is no great love. I am disappointed in the four evils of, number one, denial of the accused person's U.S. constitutional right to a speedy trial, resulting in many of those accused languishing years in jail awaiting trial. Second, forced plea bargains caused by continuous delays on the part of the prosecution, resulting in the accused running out of money to continue to pay a private attorney. Third, convictions at the expense of truth. 4, unjust sentencing laws. I personally have experienced portions of the above for approximately 10 years on the part of a family member. As a result, I believe that we no longer have a justice system. Rather, we have a legal system whereby a game is played with people's lives at stake by the prosecution and defense as to which side can tell the best story. This allows the prosecution to not tell the truth, but to state their beliefs, opinions, and assumptions without proof. The legal system is not necessarily concerned with truth. We no longer operate, in my opinion, under U.S. constitutional law, but rather under case law. A fundamental right guaranteed in the U.S. Constitution is a presumption of innocence toward the accused. Yet it appears that this is no longer true, at least in Maricopa County, Arizona. Rather, it seems that the accused is considered guilty until proven innocent. And if an individual is found innocent in a jury trial, the attitude of law enforcement is that the person was found not guilty, which is very different than being found innocent. Instead of exoneration, what happens in many cases, the law seems out to get you on a relentless basis. In a trial, police reports are often introduced as evidence. Right or wrong, they stand on what the officer is right in their report. A few years ago in Maricopa County, Arizona, I was questioned by police and asked to give some statements pertaining to a family member. Several statements were the exact opposite of what I had said to the police. And in one statement I gave, the police did not include the second sentence, which completely and totally changed the meaning of the first sentence. Many people believe the police to be trustworthy and truthful, but some embellish their writings to fit their scenarios. When I was an 8th grade U.S. history teacher in another state for 34 years, which included the teaching of the United States Constitution every year, we had an officer-friendly program in the schools. In my opinion, officer-friendly died a long time ago, never to be resurrected. Now, this is very disappointing to me and to many others. Due to false police reports, prosecutorial misconduct, staying in jail under harsh and often dangerous conditions, sometimes in fact for years, suffering mental, emotional, and physical abuse, running out of money to pay for a private attorney, and disregard for the truth in pursuit of convictions. Is it any surprise that many of the accused give up and opt for a plea bargain? This results oftentimes in a wrongful condition. So what has been the result for us personally? So we have driven away justice, and we have kept away from what is right. Truth is not spoken in the streets. What is honest is not allowed to enter the city. Truth cannot be found anywhere, and people who refuse to do evil are attacked. We looked and could not find any justice, and we were displeased. We could not find anyone to help the people, and we were surprised that there was no one to help